Kamusta na ang family life so far?
Family life is really good. Thank you, Lord, because God has been so good to me, like blessing me with all these things, events, moments in my life, my husband and my kid. Like, I have very loving, cute, super cute son. Siyempre, anak ko.
Ilan taon na siya?
He's 2 years old.
Anong name niya?
Toby Alzey.
Okay. Tapos, syempre, naalala ko pa yun, favorite yung music video mo na, yung wedding video niya na, You are my soul's fire. May mga ganun ka pang vow kay di ba?
Oo, natawang-tawa din ako na parang nahiya akong sabihin, but I really meant it at that time.
Hanggang ngayon, nandun pa rin ba yung, paano napapanatili yung kilig between the two of you?
Sa totoo yun si Rich talaga, he's my soul's fire because he keeps me going, he keeps me inspired, he keeps me motivated, he's my best friend. Like, anything I say, anything I do, I talk to him about everything.
Ano yung, so hindi kayo nag-aaway ever in the past week? Ano yung mga paano nyo nire-resolve yung conflict?
Okay.
Kung meron man.
Siyempre, most of the time naman, well, siguro, sa ilang taon na mag-boyfriend kami before, once lang kami nag-away or twice. Kasi he's so, patient. Napaka-pasensyoso yung tao na ang hirap niya talagang galitin. Siya talaga yung hirap galitin. Tapos, ngayon, most of the time, pinag-away namin is, since may baby na kami, kung, syempre, 2 years old na yung anak ko, ito na yung stage na sobrang kulit niya. Kung mag-given ako, I always give in. Dun sa anak ko, it always gets mad at me. For giving in sa baby. Syempre, he always tells me, yun yung pinag-aaway namin parati. Don't give in. Don't let him win. Sabihin niya, you always tell him that you are the boss, we are the boss, and he's our son, and he has to follow us. Ganun. Kaya ako, parating sobra akong spoiling.
Ikaw yung spoiler, siya yung disciplinarian.
Oh, yeah. Kasi, syempre, pagka hinahalikan ako na, I love you, mommy, gaganan yung baby ko. I love you, mommy. Hanap niya ako. Wala na. Oh, yes, okay, anak.
Speaking of which, ano ang morning habits mo with your son?
Morning habits. Change diaper. First of all, change diaper. Si Toby, he likes to cuddle a lot. In the morning, siguro when he wakes up, yung 30 minutes noon, cuddling lang. He would cuddle with me, ganyan, kiss me every day pag nagigising siya. Tapos hug niya lang ako, ganyan. And then I will change his diapers, and then I'll give him milk, give him cereals, kasi yun yung gusto niya in the morning. And then, magbabasa na kami. And let him play for a few minutes and then we'll read.
So, hands-on ka talaga?
Oo, syempre, I want to be
hands-on.
So, yung the way I want to grow up.
Tapos, syempre kasi yung 2 years old, yun yung mga crucial age no?
Oo, sobrang kulit. Talagang tinetest niya yung patience ko. Ito talaga yung stage na sobrang tinetest niya yung patience ko. As in, may time he would do something that intentionally do something and then call my attention. Meron siyang gano'n na, kunyari, pinapati train siya, diba? Ang hirap talaga. So, tina-train na siya, potty training. I'll tell him if he wants to, he has to go to the bathroom, ganyan. So, eto na. I'll shower him, diba? Isa-shower ka siya in the morning. Tapos, I'll tell him, okay, Toby, may wee-wee now, yung wee-wee na, ganyan. Hindi siya mag-wee-wee. Tapos, pag na-try ka na siya, before I put on his diaper, hindi siya mag-wee-wee.
Makulit.
I told you. Tinetest niya yung patience ko. Tapos sabihin niya after niya mag-wee-wee, mommy, wee-wee. So he knows talaga na mag-wee-wee siya, but he was really parang trying to see if I'm gonna get mad.
So tingin mo ba, kailan masusundan na ba si Toby o wag muna mag-baby at this point?
Siguro at this point, hindi na. Siyempre, medyo, mahirap din yung baby. It's not an easy job talaga. Kaya sinasabi, ngayon ko lang na-realize that being a mother is a hard job. Dahil ang hirap ng palaki. So, siguro hindi muna kasi lumagpas na siya dun sa crucial years. Siguro parang mga 3+ na siya na nakapag-converse close na talaga kami dalawa. And I'll think about it.
So sa tingin mo ba yung kung bakit okay din yung married life is because very supportive si Rich sa career mo?
Oo, malaking factor talaga yung si Rich na sinusuportahan niya ako. Tsaka in-encourage niya ako dun sa ginagawa ko kasi first of all, syempre, as a person, you have to feel complete, whole, and he makes me feel that na, okay, even when I'm not around, he's not around, I'm okay. He gives me that kind of comfort then and basta.
Sa tingin mo kaya may chance, ito last question ko, na ma-invite ang Jay din sa Flying High concert?
Actually, sinusuggest ko nga yan. Alam mo, in JD. Diba? I really...
Diba sana makanood sila?
Actually, nadaanan yun sa usapan na at least nandun sila.
Correct. So for sure, gusto mo silang i-invite kung may chance?
Gusto ko talaga. Kasi they're a big part of my career right now. Actually, we're talking to, meron kami mga pangunang invitation for Dreamscape. Inadaan namin sa Dreamscape.
Correct.
Baka pwede na. Kasi invite
Kasi show
i-invite kasi namin ng Dreamscape So baka pwedeng sama nila. Tuwas kung wala silang tape.
Okay.
Hi Pepsters! I'm inviting you guys to please come and support and watch my concert sa November 20 na po this year sa Kia Theater, directed by Marvin Caldito, and our musical director will be Mark Lopez. And thank you to our producer, Dreamstar Events and Cornerstone, my Cornerstone family. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you all guys there. Kita-kita po tayo. I will surprise you with a lot of beautiful, beautiful numbers. I'll see you guys.